This is not your average wash day. This is your upgraded easy wash day using the Dirty Curl Cleansing and Conditioning Clay. The Dirty Curl Clay washes, conditions, deep conditions, and detangles your curls in just one step. Start by saturating your hair with water. Using your fingers, part and separate your hair into 4 or more sections. Starting with the first section, apply a generous amount of the Dirty Curl Clay to your hair from root to tip, making sure to coat every strand. Apply a small amount to your scalp and massage in an up and down motion so your hair doesn't get tangled. The clay will detoxify your hair, and the granules will gently exfoliate your scalp, removing all dirt, product buildup, flakes, and toxins. With the Dirty Curl Clay still on your hair, detangle your curls, starting with the ends and working your way up. Repeat this process on all remaining areas, and then rinse your hair and scalp section by section until the water runs clear. And that's it. Clean, soft, moisturized, and super defined curls with just one product. Your wash day has been officially upgraded.